So in this problem, we need to list the set of all vowels in the English alphabet that come before the letter Q. Okay, since it clearly specifies here, we need to list the set of vowel. So that means we have to express the given set in the tabular form. Okay, so let us begin. So it's a very simple problem. So we have the set, we're going to represent it by the letter E in uppercase. Then we have the braces, and within the braces, we need to specify the vowels of the English alphabet that comes before the letter A. So if we start from the first vowel, that's A, then we have the next vowel E, then we have the third vowel I, and then we have the fourth vowel O. Now clearly this is going to be the last vowel that comes before the letter Q. We will not be considering the fifth vowel, that's U, because that comes after Q. So this is how the set of all vowels in the English alphabet that comes before the letter Q.